All right, let's work on a demo. So what you're holding right now is everyday objects that most of us can find anywhere in our wallets. You have Octopus cards, Oyster cards, MasterCards, access cards for opening doors, or you also have a QR code. So if you're using a software wallet, you can essentially use any type of existing self-wallet custody solution that's already on the market. Let's time an actual transaction happening from turning fiat into crypto. Let's start the timer. Using a smart card, tapping it twice. Now you're creating a PIN for your wallet, and now it's going to generate in a wallet address. So this is a new wallet that's just been created. That's your new unique wallet. Now you're trying to convert your cash into crypto. That's the amount that you've inserted, the transactions that you're going to receive. And there you go. Now you have a receipt of the transaction, the ID, the wallet address, the date, time, the asset class that you're using. And if you scan that QR code, you'll be able to have a quick look to store this exact transaction into your contact list. And this is an example of what it looks like. It's actually, all these transactions are happening on chain. So instead of a physical receipt, you can now use a virtual receipt that's already stored on your mobile device. So let's move on to a second transaction. It was easy to convert fiat into crypto, but what about moving your crypto on that physical device into another destination of your choice? Number one, you're checking the transaction that's happening on your wallet. You are tapping the card and now you're inputting your password again. This adds a layer of security so that if your card goes into the wrong hands, they would still need to have the code in order to access the funds. What you're doing now is you are selecting the asset class. In this case, you want to use Ethereum. You're now going to transfer your Ethereums using a QR code. You're also able to check this QR code yourself. You're scanning that. You are confirming the amount that you would like to move to your destination. And now you're going to confirm the transaction. And let's see how this entire process is going to make self-custody really easy for helping to drive mass adoption of digital assets. This process is normal, as this is a wallet that's going to be unlocked, and now it's being moved onto the destination account, and this is all happening on chain. And just like the previous transactions converting fiat into digital assets, you can now see that the transaction ID will address destination, date, time, asset, and the number of asset is all up for you and yourself to also verify for your own. So there we go. That is a total of 3 minutes and 19 seconds. Thank you.